Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I bring these mangled, messy, matted lashes back to life, honey.
The way you groove it, turn me on. The way you wear that thing is like you Rihanna. Don't give me the low talk when you put it on me.
Okay, so you're going to need a cup along with some boiling water, some tweezers, and a spoolie. Alright guys, after separating the lashes, what I'm doing is just removing all the built up glue, and I use hair glue, so it took me a really long time to take the glue out, but please try to remove as much glue as you possibly can and be very careful while doing this, because if you pull the wrong string, honey, it's gonna come apart. You do not want that. Alright, know that that is done. To start the process, you're going to take some hot water and submerge your lashes in it. Alright, at this point I am just going to use my spoolie and my finger to kind of shape the lash and also remove any build up mascara that may be in there. And this is the shape that we achieve with our finger. And at this point, I am just going to move the lash band around so that it fits to my eye when I put the lash on. Oh my god, look how good they look. So nice, so fluffy, like new. You would not believe that these are the same lashes we started with. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think. See you next time.